Okay, hi everyone. This is Joel Shoemaker.
And Amy Ashley.
And we are going to make the gold standard now. So we have all the ingredients before us and we're just going to pre-measure. So I'll go ahead and kick us off here. Oh, and by the way, I did, for this one, so we both made 2 cocktails. And for this one I made it, and I'm lazy, so I did everything just an easy 2 ounces of booze and 1 ounce of everything else, because that way I don't have to remember. So if you're tasting a cocktail and it's too sweet, or it's too something, you just back off on the ingredients, right?
That's the beautiful thing, is you can absolutely modify these to your taste, right? This is really a guide.
Yeah, but so I like it easy, so I do 2 ounces and 1 ounce. So we're gonna put in 1 ounce of lemon juice to start. So I'm just gonna fill this up here, and I'm gonna throw everything into the shaker for this one, just because the syrup's a little bit thicker, and that makes it easier to get everything combined. This, by the way, is the honey vanilla syrup. Do you want to tell them how we made this?
Yes, so the ingredients are quite simple. Honey, water, and just a dash of vanilla. Equal parts honey and water. Put it on the stove, put it in the microwave, warm it up so that it's all dissolved, and you're good to go.
Really, again, to taste, but I like a lot of vanilla in mine. The more the better. But it's delicious. So, and we didn't put vanilla in the box because it's stupid expensive. So we're hoping most people just have vanilla. I think it's like, isn't it like $5 a bottle or more?
It's very expensive. Also optional.
Also optional. So you can just do the honey water combination. And we do half and half because, again, we don't like to really measure or think about it. So half and half is easy.
And it works.
Amy had a pre-pour of a tiny Bulleit bourbon. So this is what we're using for our booze. It's Bulleit bourbon. Didn't you get this from like a charity thing or something?
I did.
Huh, so we're just assuming it's 2 ounces, and if it's more, great. And we're just going to pour that into the cocktail shaker. And there's already ice in here, so we are mixing with ice.
Once again, to taste, right?
To taste,
so you can back off the bourbon. You can.
I like to put bitters in the shaker and on top.
I do too.
You too?
Absolutely.
Okay, great. So we're going to put in maybe like 3 or 4 dashes there, and that's it, right? We've got everything in here?
That's it.
Okay.
I would say if you're new to bitters, maybe start with a few drops.
Yeah, good.
Kind of work your way up.
And maybe even just put them in when you're mixing it instead of on top as well. I don't know if I can get a good seal on this. How does this work? This one's yours. How does this work?
Yep, there you go.
Okay, great. We did it. All right, we're on. So we're just going to shake this, what, about 10 seconds? Good enough, maybe?
Beautiful.
And we're going to use this glass. This is a nice, what are these, coupe glasses?
They are, yes.
All right, cool.
These are antique.
Oh, and then the other thing that I forgot is this is edible gold. So the edible gold is really frustrating to use. We're just going to be honest. I thought this would be nice to top the cocktail with, but it's very dainty. So instead, we're going to put it in, and then we're going to pour over it, and it's going to break up into pieces. And so it's going to just have a nice little like floating effect in the cocktail. And it's just kind of fun.
Very festive.
So,
very
and this
festive.
is half a sheet, but I'm actually kind of even recommending just even a quarter sheet. And you can just cut it into 4. So you don't need a lot, but we already have this cut. So I'm just going to put it all in there. And again, just try not to, there, it doesn't even matter. So it's in the bottom of the glass now. And once we pour it in there, it'll hopefully break up into pieces and float in the glass. So let's see what happens when we give this a pour. Hopefully it all fits in there. Look at that! Look at that, and you can see the glitter on top.
Gold flakes on the top.
I don't know, they probably can't see that, but it actually looks cool.
It's very festive.
So, and then I'm going to top it with a few more bitters of your aromatics, and we're just going to do maybe like, I don't know what that was, 3 or 4. I'm going to taste it. I'm just going to let you know how this tastes. Yeah, it's really nice. It's got the lemon, but just a hint of the lemon. It's mostly honey and vanilla, which I love.
And
of course, bourbon.
Delicious.
Yeah.
It's perfect for the holidays. It's nice warming. The aromatic bitters are very warming kind of.
And I also thought with the gold flakes, it was maybe good New Year's drink kind of.
Nice,
like,
yes.
You know?
Without a doubt. Yep.
There it is. It's the gold standard.